In this video, I'll be showing you how to change the multi-V belt and its accompanying omega tensioner in a mild hybrid drive system, taking the example of a Golf eTSI model. Hi guys, today I've brought an engine from a VW Golf to show you. Here we have the 1.5-liter eTSI engine with an output of 110 kilowatts and engine code DFYA. This is the EA211 Evo unit. What makes this engine special is that it features a 48-volt mild hybrid system. To change the belt, we need our 6PK1034 Extra K1 kit. The new omega tensioner fulfills a new function in 48-volt mild hybrid systems. Unlike conventional multi-V belt tensioners, the omega tensioner is capable of acting in two directions to tension the belt. It constantly swings back and forth in the engine, as the force can originate from either the belt-driven starter generator or the crankshaft. No special tools are required for fitting. All you need is a square head wrench. Here I have a 3/8-inch socket adapter and a punch for locking the tensioner into place. So we insert the wrench into this square opening, tighten the tensioning lever until it reaches the end stop and can then lock it into place at the top. Then we have to turn it into the opposite direction again to slacken everything, after which the belt can be taken off. Now it's time to replace the omega tensioner. To do so, undo the 4 fastening bolts. Following this, the 4 bolts must be replaced and afterwards everything tightened by 8 Newton-meters plus 90 degrees. To undo the bolts, we have bolt number 1 here and number 2 here. To get to bolts 3 and 4 though, the tensioner has to be turned slightly. We simply keep turning it until these 2 bolts become visible. You can now fit the belt and loosen the tensioning lever so that we can take our locking pin out. This means everything will be at the right tension again. Incidentally, we currently have 13 multi-V belt kits and 21 extra belts in our range specially designed for mild hybrid applications. The exact model allocations and applications can all be found in our Product Information Center. And don't forget to add our seal of quality before letting this gem of an engine back onto the road. Place our part replacement sticker in the engine compartment where it's clearly visible, so that your customer sees you've fitted quality.